All right, guys, I'm here with Jeff and with Jandy. We're going to go over the JXi heater.
All right, thanks, Eric.
Yeah.
Thanks, everybody. Happy to talk to you today about our Jandy JXi gas pool and spa heater. Been a revolution in the gas heating swimming pool industry. So we really talk about three things with the JXi pool and spa heater. Lightweight, ultra compact. You'll notice it'll fit very easily on a 2-foot by 2-foot pad. Even the biggest model, the 400,000 BTU heater, is 126 pounds, so even one person can pretty easily move this thing around.
Very small, yeah, very small form factor.
Very small, very easy to use. The other big thing we talk about is best retrofit option. Right?
Okay.
You'll notice that on the plumbing connections over here, we've actually got a 3-port header design. So the bottom port is always the outlet of the water, and then you have 2 options for inlet. So this one actually lines up with the Pentair MasterTemp, which is one of the biggest selling heaters in the market today. So you can very easily just cut this off, replumb it, and you've got everything lined up. This top port is really convenient for new construction if you're in a new construction application, because with the sweep elbow it lines directly up with our Jandy CV filter. Or if you're replacing an older heater in the marketplace, a lot of that plumbing is up high, so you can take that plumbing and very conveniently drop it straight into that top header port. So this has been a huge feature for us. The other thing that we talk about is flexible installation with regard to the JXi heater. If you come around the side here, you'll notice that there's black screws around the top of the heater. There's 4 of them. There's 2 on this side and 2 on that side. They're the only black-headed screws anywhere on this heater. You take those 4 screws off, this entire top panel comes off. So one, that's really good for serviceability because now you can access all of the components very easily in here. The other thing that you can do is, old style with a heater, you used to have to take things completely apart if you have plumbing coming from the other side, right?
Yes,
you've got plumbing coming from the left, you'd have to completely tear apart the entire heat exchanger, reorganize it to get the plumbing on the other side. Now you take off those 4 screws, this head, the top comes off, you spin it around 180 degrees, now your control panel is over here, you just spin the heater around, everything's good to go.
Simple.
And everybody knows as soon as you spin this around, you got a wall right here typically. Most
always
have a wall.
Yeah.
So then the benefit is we've got this flip-up tray that will now easily access, even if you got a wall right here, you can very easily access all your electrical test points. So
Clever.
Been a huge feature for us as well.
Cool. Well, that's awesome. And I heard you guys just came out with an ASME version, right?
We did. We'll go over and we can talk about that here in a little bit.
Awesome. Let's take a look.
All right.